Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Python 3.13.4 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First of all, I am going to download Python 3.13.4. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Type here in Google search. Download Python. Press enter. Click on first link, www.python.org. Now the Python official website is open. Click Downloads tab. Click Download Python 3.13.4. Now the downloading is started. It is 27.3 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Open this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is our Python setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Close Downloads. The setup started here. Click Use Admin Privileges. Click Add Python to Path. After that, select Customize Installation. It will install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, manage and install Python packages and libraries. Idle is an IDE to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is. Click Next. Advanced Options. Click Install Python for all users. Now the Python install the following location. Rest keep as it is. Click Install. Now the Python installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Setup was successful. Click Close. After installation, now let's us verify the Python version. Right-click on Windows. Click Run. Type CMD here. Click OK. Now command prompt open. Type command Python space hyphen version. Press enter. Here, the current version is visible 3.13.4. That means we successfully installed it. Now, here I am open Python shell. Type py. Press enter. Now the Python shell is open. Now let's print something. I am print my YouTube channel name. It will give an output with my YouTube name. Let close command prompt. Now I am open idle. Click on Start. Idle Python showing in recommended. You can also search idle in search bar. But now I am going to click on idle under recommended. Now I am going to print same my YouTube channel. Now, you can see this output is visible. That means whatever we added inside this. The benefit of idle is you can also save the program. Go to File. Click Save As. Select Desktop. I am given it name, Test Demo. Click on Save. Now you can see it is saved on the desktop. So, we saved a Python program also. Close idle. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install Python 3.13.4 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.